Good day to all of you. I'm Archie working at King Saud University as a network and fiber optic technician. Together with my partner, Mr. Archie Ramos, we will teach you on how to make your own network cable and how to make sure that the one you make is good and correct. First of all, we will be needing the following: RJ45 connector, crimper, cutter, cable stripper, boots if available, easy or ring type cable marker, Cat 6 cable, and a cable tester. First of all, get the cable and cut it according to the size that you need it. Put the ring type cable marker through the cable. Put the boots. Use the stripper to strip the jacket about an inch. Remove the plastic in the middle of the cable using the cutter. Be careful not to damage the wires. You will notice that the wires are twisted. First, just separate the wires before untwisting it. Orange will be on the left, followed by green, blue, and brown. Untwist the wires. Make the wire straight by using a screw or just a simple pen. And do the color coding of the wires, which is white orange, orange, white of the green, the next is blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. Take the RJ45 connector and check the size of the cables and cut it according to the size of the RJ45. Cut the extra wires. Take the RJ45 connector and just slide it inside. Be sure that the wires is inside the RJ45 connector. Using the crimper, just put it in the slot and put the pressure on the crimper using your both hands. Now, after crimping it, put up the boots. This serves as a protection for bending, for water or moisture that can permanently damage your cable. And the ring type cable marker. Marking the cables help us to identify the cable if it's already connected to any devices for troubleshooting. After doing this step on both ends of the cable, you will be having the most important thing to do, which is testing the cable that you made. Using the proper tester, put the end of the connector to the main tester. Turn it on. Put the other end in the remote side of the tester. Check the 8 pins. If it's connected to each other, if the connection is okay, then your cable is ready for action.